Check out this 2001 Kia Rio. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride. Power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.